Hey guys, Jared and Dan back again with another Why We Do What We Do video. And today we are talking about braking systems. At RVI, we have some of the best customers on the planet. And when customers are looking to purchase a new braking system for their flat towing setup, one of the big questions we get is should I pick a portable braking system or a permanently installed braking system? And this is a great question. There's actually some nuance to consider on each one, and that's why we have Dan here to explain the benefits of each and what might be best for you.
So when thinking of portable versus installed, really it comes down to finding out what your personality is, what are your RVing habits, are you full timing, do you vacation once in a while. Those are all of the factors that come into choosing one or the other types of braking system.
Right.
So in our world, there are two schools of thought. We've got portable brakes that require that the user put the braking system in the vehicle every time that you're going to use it. It only takes like 30 seconds to put that in and to get ready to go. And the other school of thought is an installed unit where it's permanently installed. There's nothing to put in and out. You really would just hook up and drive away, and then your braking system would do what it is supposed to do with your towed vehicle. So I would say on the portable side of braking systems, it's really kind of about flexibility.
Right.
If you're towing more than one vehicle, we have a lot of our customers out there that have two vehicles depending on where they go. So a portable system would make much more sense there because you could put the portable system in either vehicle when you go. And I would say for the installed enthusiast, it's really more about convenience. So I'm going to spend a little more effort up front to get it installed. You can do it yourself or have a dealer install it. But once it's in, then it's just you're ready to go anytime you hook the towed vehicle up. So really, it's just a matter of looking at both of our systems and then deciding what fits your personality and what's going to be best for you.
That's right. Thanks, Dan. That's awesome. So as you can see, there's really not a bad choice. At the end of the day, you need a braking system by law, and that's because it's all about safety, not only for you and your family, which is so critically important, but also for all the other drivers around you. One of the things that you're going to love about this is whether you're using the RVI Brake 3 or the RVI Brake Shadow, you get the Command Center tablet, which gives you brilliant feedback while you're going down the road, and that is so important. So again, whether you're installed or whether you're portable, hey, if you've got more questions about either one of those things, even if you're like, no, I think that's me, never hesitate to reach out to us. We love helping our customers. It's something we're really passionate about. So whether it's calls, chats, or emails, we're available to help. But in the meantime, happy RVing.